Why does the same coating perform so differently in different regions? The answer lies in the climate. Did you know that climate conditions and application methods directly affect the lifespan and performance of paint protection film? In regions with strong UV and dry air, such as the Middle East, Australia, and the US Southwest, flexible coatings are ideal. With thicker layers and strong yellowing resistance, they offer excellent protection against sunlight and thermal aging. The trade-off is longer application time, but with much longer durability. Meanwhile, in humid, rainy, or dusty regions like Southeast Asia, South America, and parts of coastal Europe, quick coatings are preferred. They apply fast, deliver instant gloss, and fit perfectly with fast-paced markets. However, durability is lower, so they require more frequent maintenance. So when choosing a coating method, it's not just about looks. You need to consider the local climate, air pollution levels, and clients' driving habits. We can tailor application and maintenance plans for each region, ensuring clients not only get a great film, but also long-lasting protection and greater satisfaction. In your region, is flexible coating or quick coating the better choice? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.